Detroit's own Orthodox Radio proclaims the Orthodox Christian faith and holy tradition by connecting our communities and faithful, educating on historic and modern-day subjects, and engaging the listening public across the metropolitan region and beyond. What if somebody like St. Paul, for example, had access to a radio station? I mean, think about that. What if the ancient Christians had access to publishing a newspaper? What if they had the mass media that we have today? Kind of makes you wonder, just would Christianity be where it is today, or would it be much larger? I know one thing, if St. Paul were sitting here instead of me, I'm sure we'd probably have a lot more listeners than we have. Our diligent staff that works each week to produce this program includes Sonia Milutinovich, our executive producer and interview recorder, John Lazar, our music segment producer and interviewer, Father Dmitry Vincent, segment producer and priest interviewer, Karen R. Todorov, story segment producer and interviewer, Richard Shabib, our roving reporter, and of course, myself, Jim Bedeen, your narrator and program editor. So now the question is what if? Well, that's been answered. The what if is here. We have mass media in the form of this radio program. So if you would like to listen to us, by all means, tune in every Sunday afternoon between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. on AM 690 and listen to Detroit's own Orthodox Radio. And if you would like to learn more about us, by all means, check us out on our website at www.doorradio.org. That's www.doorradio.org.